In today's world, people don't even realize the damages they are causing to our earth. Dust mites, air pollutants, fungus are making the environment dirty. But recently, the world is being dragged down by Covid-19. People are forced to work from home. No more going out, making social distance. As we all know, no more outdoor activities are being conducted, and days are passing by. The factories and the markets are shut down. The transportation has stopped. No more vehicles. But during this tough time, something good happened. Temperature cooled down, less pollution, less global warming. Mother Nature is healing itself.